Hey guys, this is Justin from Bear Bull Traders. This is my second video, and in the next 30 days I'm going to try to do a video every day that I trade for two reasons. One is to help people with their strategies and show them what's working for me, and another is to keep myself honest and kind of, I don't know, it's easier to break a promise to yourself than it is to somebody else. So kind of use you guys as the people that I'm making a promise to, that I'm going to keep these rules and see how well that does for me. Alright, so the first trade today was, one of the first was with MU. I've been liking these reversals recently, and I think it's because this is the best pattern I've defined a stop loss for, and an entry point, and also a profit target. One sec here, I'm going to go into another room so it's a little bit quieter. And so let me just walk you through what I was doing here. You can see that I took a stab at it earlier here at about 10:05 in the morning. And so my rules here are, as soon as a candle closes, opens and or closes above the 20 EMA when it's been on a downward trend, I take that as a sign that it is a potential reversal. And so I get in as soon as it closes or opens the 20 EMA. And my stop loss as soon as it breaks the 9 EMA. So that's the room that I give it. And so as you can see, it got stopped out here, took a stab, didn't work out. But then we came up and I took another stab, and we went all the way to the previous day close. I do have a day job, so that's why I got out of this last piece here, is when I had my first meeting. So otherwise I would have stayed in the trade until there was some sort of confirmation that it was reversing on me, maybe a break of the 20 EMA back down, or something to that effect. One of the issues that I've been having recently is scaling out my position too early. I'm trying to fight that. I see some money on the board, I want to take it. That was the reason for this sale right here, this red one. There's really, I covered some here at this moving average simply because I didn't know if it was going to bounce back or not. So I figured cover some and cover the cost of my commissions and maybe a little extra. My next goal, though, my profit target, is the VWAP. I should have really waited until it hit the VWAP for my next stage of scale out, but I didn't. I'm going to try and correct that over this next week, and these 30 days of my videos here. Okay, now let's pick up the next stock. The next stock was, let's see if it wants to come up. Nope. Okay, I guess we can go with Nike. Here again, I saw that it closed above the 20 EMA, and so I took it long. It came down and stopped me out. I didn't wait for the 9, or I'm sorry, I didn't wait for the 20, or the 9 to be broken again, and I think it was because I was playing this as a bull flag. As a mini one ABCD bull flag, but I did like the fact that it showed a bull flag, and yeah, sorry about that. I was trying to figure out what I was doing in that trade. I was playing it as a bull flag, but I'm not exactly sure what stopped me out of it. Whether or not I just didn't like the price action, or I'm not sure. But as you can see, I mean, obviously once it came and popped back up above, it was a nice reversal all the way back up about 70 cents. If I was watching it, I would have definitely jumped back in as soon as I saw it cross back over. Usually when stocks, they go up and then they come back and they go up and they try again. I view that as a sign of they want to go in that direction. It wasn't making new lows here. It kept on making higher lows as it went up. I just saw that as it was wanting to go that way. It just did a little bit of a pullback and I went too early. So that was Nike. Another trade here. This wasn't one that I did trade. I was watching this at the same time I was in MU, and that's why I didn't get in. But yeah, so I saw that I was watching this with MU the whole way down, and I saw that it came up above here and stayed above right here, kind of like a little bull flag as well. But I would have taken it long here had I not been in MU, and I could have ridden it. I think it ended up going a little bit above VWAP. I could have ridden it for a good portion above VWAP. Let's see, and then Momo, same deal. I took all reversals today, by the way. Like I said, I've been liking the strategy. Went long as soon as it came above the 20. Didn't hit any moving average or any profit target that I had. Oh, I guess it did hit a couple moving averages. Well, I was like I said, I was practicing holding my positions until my profit target, and in this one I didn't scale out at all. I was waiting to VWAP. But as you can see in this next stab here, I did start to scale out as soon as we hit these moving averages, and that was because I didn't know how the stock was going to react. The stab right here kind of freaked me out, so I did scrape some profit. I'm not too happy that I took profit where I did. I should have waited for it to mature, but like I said, I'm gonna have to work on that over these next 30 days. And I think that was it, guys. I think all I did was Momo, MU, and took a stab at Nike. Yeah, that was it. Alright, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found this insightful, and I'm excited to bring you more and hopefully stick to my rules. Alright, thanks guys.